big city very close to Barcelona.
In our school, there are more than 500 students from kindergarten to high school.
Are you ready to see our school?
Come on, let's start the visit.
Follow us!
This is the school hall. As you can see, we decorated with all our projects. Do you like it?
In our school, there are different classrooms. We learn a lot.
Do you want to see our class? Come! And this is our classroom. Here we solve problems in maths. We learn a lot of vocabulary in Spanish, Catalan and English.
We learn geography in social science. We do arts and craft in art. We play the recording and music. And we love it.
Follow us. This is one of our favorite places. The gym. We love doing sport. And here we play different games.
3.
Do you want to know a secret?
The best place in the school is the playground. Here we have fun in our weekends and we play football, basketball and hide and seek. Do you like computer? Follow us. This is computer room where we do robotics and we have fun. But in this school there are 2 computer rooms. Una, can you show it to them?
Yes, of course. The other one is in the second floor. Follow me.
Here it is.
This is our science lab. And here we do different experiments. Do you want to see some of them?
So we come here to listen amazing histories.
We celebrate Halloween, Christmas, St. George, and different festivities.
This is my favorite music.
In our school, some students have lunch in the school canteen. The food is delicious. And we finish games in the playground.
I hope you like our school because we love it. Bye bye.
Bye bye.